Sunday morning, guys, strolling again, you know. Alright, today, this morning is a nice morning. Got some rain yesterday, but boy, we're trying to beat the rain today, you know. Trying to beat the rain today. You miss a seafood, man?
Yeah, man.
We're trying to beat the rain today, you know.
Try to beat the rain today.
Yeah. Well, yesterday it rained like crazy, man, but you know, no? Catch 2 fish yesterday. Today we're going out again, see if we can beat the rain and catch some more. I know it's trolling as usual, you know. But we don't have any time to do anything else, no drop line or anything. One of these days we're going to do some drop line. Yeah, catch some snappers and maybe some parrot and some, you know, some kind of fish. Yeah, something different. But for now, being as we're getting some rain, we're trying to beat the rain. So we're going to do some trolling. Alright guys, as you can see, a nice morning. A lot of fresh water out here, you know, so that, look at the water, kind of whitish, fresh water. Alright, so Captain, press out. Guys, we see some jack, you know, look. See some bird out there, sir, you know. See them there? Look all out there, sir. Yeah, see them there? So we're going to make a one run and see if we can catch 2 jack. Although we don't want a jack still, you know, but you know, we get the adrenaline up this morning early that we can deal with the tarpon up top, so, you know. But here, we're going to try a thing right in it right now and see what we're going. Alright, guys? So look out for it now. Coming up. Right, that's the quick you put out. Seafood man put out long time. Oh, probably we can hook up something now, I don't know. Look at that, guys, birds. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we'll take time right through the bird them now. We'll see what's going on now. I wonder if we can catch something, sir. We'll see what happens. If Jack was in it, he could have peeled them already. Yeah, maybe the Jack them out further still, but I can't this about. I don't even know if you should have got this, you know. Make a fast run. I don't want to waste the time, you know. Because I want to beat the breeze and the rain. No? My own, alright. Let's see if you want to pick up mackerel or lizard fish. Let's see if you want to catch a lizard fish, you know. I can't lizard that?
What's the lure? Almost the same size.
A lizard fish, alright. Throw the lizard. No one a lizard today.
Have a fun.
We don't need no lizard today.
Alright, what's your back?
Yeah. You don't need no lizard today. Alright, so we see a lot of birds, but no progress in them bird, in those birds, so no progress at all. The bird is not going with nothing. A lot of birds, but no progress. Run through the birds, nothing. So we're gonna go find the bigger guys now upstairs. Upstairs we're going.
Upstairs. Up top.
Yeah, we'll go upstairs. Fish on, yeah. Fish on. Eh? Boy, I make a one reel of Mr. Kingfish, you know? Yeah, but I reel again, yes. Kingfish, man. But man, it's a full red now, I don't know. Because Kingfish, man, a kingfish this man, because set the hook and then blow a while ago. Yeah. Arrest him, man, arrest him.
Arrest him.
No long.
Fish.
See the place. I need to see him take it. I need.
Open in there.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, so why we are troll from morning to right, you just hook up on this kingfish here, man, tell you. I think I can hook the sharp, you know. Go right through the mouth, you know. The way we set it for him.
Tarpon. Small baby tarpon. Can't get it.
Nice tarpon.
Nice tarpon.
We're gonna take him up now, because I can't hold him in hand. Watch me hand. Yeah, seafood man, tarpon. Seafood man, tarpon there now.
Tarpon.
Yeah. Nice one. How much him weigh?
About 25 pounds.
25. Hold him this way now. Yeah. Nice one. Nice one. See man. Him at the man.
Yeah.
Captain C.
Release it.
Alright, release him now.